draw Pikachu from a edge. Let's see, can I do it? And you also watch it carefully because it is very hard. First of all, we are going to make a big edge. Then we are going to curve it, both the sides. Then we are going to curve a big side like this. We are going to make the eyes. The other eye we will make it winking. Now we are going to make its nose, then face. Now we are going to make ears like this. And the final touch, we are going to do the coloring, the fill the black in his ears. Now we will color. If you don't know how Pikachu looks like, I will show you by coloring. We have done the coloring. Guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Bye bye.